Hi, good morning all of you. Today let us start with development of landforms. Major landforms like mountains develop many due to forces that originate below the earth's surface. We will now study some process that create or modify landforms. First important thing, that is volcano. Do you know what is volcano? A volcano is a vent or an opening at a weak spot in the earth crust through which magma erupts on the surface as lava. During volcano eruption, do you know what happened? The gases, ash, steam and even pieces of rock are spewed out along with the lava. Gradually ash, rocks and solidified lava pile up around the vent, forming a conical hill known as volcanic cone. The top of volcanic cone formed on the sea floor may rise above the water to form a new island. This island of Satsay near Iceland is such an island. Such an island will disappear if the top of the volcano is blown off by a volcanic eruption. These volcanoes and earthquakes are caused by the movement of plate and different processes. Then let us discuss about what is important process caused on the lithosphere by volcano and earthquake. The process is known as tectonic process. The earth lithosphere is broken up into several pieces, just like the pieces of a large jigsaw puzzle. These pieces known as plate. As the plate moves, they push, pull, slide, rise, sink, bend and break. Such a process at over millions of years. Plate movement causes volcanic activity and earthquake, especially at the margins of the moving plates. Then let us discuss about earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the earth's surface. Most earthquakes are caused by the movement of the plates of the lithosphere. Volcanic eruptions also cause earthquake. An earthquake usually lasts for only a few seconds, but may be violent enough to cause extensive damage to life and property. Earthquakes do not create major landforms. They can, however, cause changes in the existing landforms. For example, they may cause cracks to open up in the ground. They may also lead to landslides or cause gained waves in the oceans. Then the earthquake is very dangerous. If we are living in a frequent earthquake is happening in an area, we should regularly take a part in to practice what to do during earthquake. Let us discuss some important steps we have to take. Some precaution during earthquake. At the time of earthquake or during an earthquake, get away from stoves and fireplaces, glass objects, windows and things that can fall. Then cover your head and face with your arms. Do not use the lift. If you are outdoor, move away from the buildings, trees, poles, etc. Then let us discuss about the earthquake that happened in the state of Gujarat on 26 January 2001. It caused a great damage, killing more than 20,000 people and destroying nearly 4 lakh houses. About 16 million people were directly or indirectly affected by the earthquake. So, going by records of previous earthquake and their effects, the risk of violent and destructive earthquake is very high in the Bhuj region. Buildings should have been strictly followed. This could have restricted the collapse of building, which is the main cause of death in any earthquake. Besides, the Bhuj region is fairly densely populated. This was another reason for the large number of deaths. So, you have to hear the explanation which I given you. The next day we will discuss about the next chapter, atmosphere. Thank you.